Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for March and it is Latest in Beauty. This is what it looks like. If you're new to the subscription, then carry on watching. I'll just give you a bit of a lowdown about it. But as always, if you know it all and you just rather skip forward to seeing what I've chosen this month, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Latest in Beauty is a UK only monthly subscription box with a bit of a difference where you get to choose the products that go inside. You get to choose 6 products from a huge list. They bring out an edit every month, and all throughout the month then they release the products. So you get to see the products that are going to be featured in the box at the start of the month, so you have an idea, but you don't know the actual dates when they will be released on the website. As well as the monthly edit, they will have a huge selection of past products that have been in previous edits as well. And now every month there's a Hall of Fame product, which means that it's their star product. It's like the best product of the month, and there's usually loads and loads and loads of stock of that one, meaning you're able to get it a lot easier than some other products that they may release, which can sell out within a couple of hours. The cost of the box is £12.99 and £3.95 shipping. If you were to subscribe for 3 months or more, then your shipping is dropped, so you just pay £12.99, which makes it one of the cheapest subscriptions out there. And also, if you subscribe for 3 months or more, you become a VIP, which will entitle you to 15% off any of the limited edition boxes. If you sign up now, then you will have from now until the same time next month to choose your products. If you don't choose any products, and they'll just send you a random selection. So you have a full month from whenever you sign up, and then it'll be the same date every month then for however long you subscribe for. If I've missed out anything, then please ask away. Let's get on to showing you what I chose. First up, I got myself a deodorant. I love this brand. I used to buy it all the time. It is one of the more pricier brands for underarm deodorants, but it's just amazing. It is really, really good. This is 0% aluminium, 96% natural. This is Mitchum Natural Power. Bamboo powder for wetness absorption, 24-hour protection, invisible solid deodorant, and coconut scented. There's 40 grams here. This is full size. So this alone is about £3–4. Oh, it smells gorgeous. If you like coconuts, that is. There might be different scents on the Latest in Beauty website, I'm not sure. Oh, that is beautiful. That is really nice. Really, really nice. I love a natural deodorant. Not many of them have containers like this. They normally get them in like pots, which are fine, but it's easier when you can twist and use them that way. So I've got an underarm deodorant by Mitchum. Next I got a self-tanning foam by FFS. Am I supposed to say the full word or is it just FFS? I'll just leave it as FFS. Self-tanning mousse in dark. They have different shades. I like a dark one because I'm so pale. Unless it's dark, nothing really shows up. Not what I like anyway. I do like to look like I've got a good tan on. Infused with avocado and coconut fragrance. And there's 200 mils here. So again, another full-size product. I'm not sure how much this costs. But I love my tanning products. Now that it's coming into spring, summertime, I fake tan a lot. It's vegan and cruelty free, bottle made of 100% recyclable plastic and formulated without parabens and sulfates. It sounds great. I've never tried anything from this brand before. Well, a fake tan anyway, so I'll be curious to see what that is like. Next I went for a Philip Kingsley. This is a spray for your hair, a maximizer root boosting spray, and there's 60 mils here. Anything to put volume into my hair. Even if it's just to make it easier for me to do like updos. If I've got a volumizing product in my hair, then it's a lot easier to like pin up and put in a bun and things as opposed to nothing at all because my hair is quite thin and flat. So yeah, I believe this was the star product, or was it last month? It might have been last month's star product, I'm not sure. So there's that. Then I went for a Cuticle Pen. I'm obsessed with these. Oh my gosh, I love them. I had a few different ones from Latest in Beauty before. This is by MB Beauty and this is in strawberry. Oh, I can't wait to use it. I haven't tried this one before. I've had a lavender one. You just twist it like this to release the oil. Ooh, where's it coming? There it is. And my nails are in need. or my cuticles I should say. I can't really see what I'm doing. So sticking my fingers up at you all. But yeah. Oh, and it has a subtle strawberry scent to it. Oh, that's lovely. That's really nice. I tend to use cuticle oils in the car if I'm doing the school run. I think, oh, I'll do my nails, and when I'm in bed as well. So I've got another one. Now the next two items are by a pricey brand. This is by SLMD, Sandra Lee MD. Sandra Lee, you might be familiar with Dr. Pimple Popper. I love watching her. And my parents are obsessed with watching her. They love the big cysts and things. I can't watch that, but I love the blackheads. Oh, I love the blackheads, but when it's cysts and pus, I can't watch that one. Well, oh, it says there actually, skincare by Dr. Pimple Popper. So it's her own brand. This is Skin Drink, Squalene and Hyaluronic Acid, and there's 30 mils here. It says Sandra Lee MD, pop culture's favourite dermatologist, founded SLMD Skincare to create skin-loving formulas using effective ingredients. The serum combines squalene and hyaluronic acid to deliver instant moisturising peptides for healthier looking skin. Ooh, nice packaging. Can you see? It's clear. Nice bottle as well, isn't it? Nice size. Just put a tiny bit on my hand there. Yeah, that's lovely. That is really, really nice. That's blended in lovely. My hands are quite dry, particularly around my knuckles and the sides. But yeah, that's just given it a really nice hydrating sort of layer there. Yeah, I do really like it. I like that. And then I got a body wash. This is a salicylic acid body wash, body cleanser for blemish prone skin. And I can't remember ordering this, but that's fine. 240 mils, so a nice big one. But yeah, I can't remember ordering this. I don't have blemish prone skin, but my daughter does. Oh, I can hear it. Really liquidy. My daughter does, so this might be really, really good for her. Apply onto hands and create a lather. Massage on into wet skin. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. And it contains salicylic acid as an exfoliant. So a really nice big size there. I thought I chose a cleanser. Maybe there wasn't even a cleanser there, I don't know. No matter where you may have blemish prone skin, this all over cleanser has your back and chest and shoulders. It's made with maximum strength salicylic acid to exfoliate, which helps to clear skin and unclog pores. This body wash is strong enough to minimise the appearance of blemish prone skin, but gentle enough for everyday use. So there's that, and those are all the products that I chose for this month's Latest in Beauty, but they've given me 2 freebies. I've got a Cetaphil moisturising lotion, 29 mils there, and I've got a Nux, a Nutri Fortifying Oil Cream for ultimate anti-aging, and there's 15 mils there. So that's lovely, isn't it? So they've added in these 2 freebies. Well, with the cost of the subscription this month, I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. Started off with a Mitchum deodorant, 96% natural. Then an FFS, a dark tannin mousse. Then a Philip Kingsley Maximizer, a root lifting spray. An MB Beauty cuticle oil. Then SLMD skin drink. And lastly, SLMD, a salicylic acid body wash. So you're looking about £85–90 worth of products inside this box. It could be more, I'm not too sure how much, like for instance this might be, whatever. So yeah, I'm really chuffed this month, really chuffed. I wish I had looked on the Latest in Beauty website a little bit earlier than what I did, because I would have got more products from Dr. Sandra Lee. Teens of the family would love this, but that squalene and hyaluronic acid is lovely, really, really nice in my hand. So you'll see what it's like on my face. So no, I am really chuffed with the products this month. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the products I've chosen? Have you tried any of them before? What do you think of them? Are you a subscriber? Did you choose similar items to me? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.